we will be going forward with our next invitee for the day. Let me introduce you to the president of Monitoring, Shreyasi Sharma and Darshana Singh, who have joined us today with their initiative named United Readers. Now, let me tell you why United Reader is so special. United Reader is just a reading habit of Amrut Deshmukh. Of the seven habits that are showcased over here in the book, there is a book, there is a habit which tells that read and share. Read what you share with other people, and that is exactly what United Readers is doing right now. I'll give you a brief about how the United Reader things goes on. We are given a book at the starting of the month, and then we are given 1 month or 1.5 months to read that book. And at the end of the month, United Reader organize a Zoom call where we discuss with our peer groups about the book. What's the special in the book? They also prepare a questionnaire so that we get engaged throughout the whole Zoom call. Without wasting a moment, let me call up on the stage Shreyasi and Darshna. The stage is all yours.
Thank you so much, Bhavya, for the introduction. I'm very much elated, and the best part about today is that we got chance to share the screen with Amrit sir. So that was really amazing. You know, whatever he said, right now, as I said, the stage is all yours. But the thing is, he was so mesmerizing. Like, I don't know what to speak next. Like, I'm so lost in what all he said, and now I'm like, I have to read another book as soon as possible. I'm getting that instinct. But yeah, talking about United Readers, guys, Bhavya already shared most of it, like how it happens, what. So Darshana, you may take over about like telling about what we do in detail.
Yeah, even first of all, even I am like, why I'm here in front of Amrut? Okay, why I'm sitting. I've never done things like my story is not inspiring at all. Okay, so Bhavya, please.
Exactly my point.
I
Every
From
every
next
story,
level.
every story is great at that
Yeah.
point. Every story is great, and your story
Yeah.
is. That's why you are here on the stage to share it.
it
I
was
want
just an initiative by
to
us.
come up
Like,
over here.
okay, so what happened? I was following Abhinav Srivastav, if you know him. He's a consultant. He has a YouTube channel. Okay, sorry, Akshar Srivastav, my bad, Akshar Srivastav. So I was following him, and he had this book club part where in 1 week they used to read books, and he used to come live on YouTube and share his stuffs. From there only we got this idea of starting United Readers, because we wanted to do something unique which never happened in colleges of Mumbai, and obviously this is the first time any club is organizing this United Readers kind of a thing. And then we started working with our team on this. We came up with this name, United Readers. This was the idea, just a random name we came up with. Even the tagline also, it was just random only. We were sitting together and we were discussing कि क्या रखना है यार, क्या नाम रखना है. And
Yeah,
we came up with
actually, when we were supposed to keep the taglines, the first thing which we thought was as the tagline also suggests the same, that nobody read the same line in the same way. That every perspective is very much different. So, Bhavya, you are part of the book discussions which we organize. So you will definitely agree that all participants are having their own perspective, although they
Absolutely.
are reading the same line from the same book, but still their
it.
perspective is very much different. So
And
that was
because
something which actually hit us. Yeah.
exactly. And because we were, we were planning to have discussions in the last, at the end of the month. So this tagline suited really well, because again, we left on students, just read the book. Then I don't know, maybe some might have read the book, some might not. They just joined the WhatsApp group and they were like, हाँ ठीक है चलो कुछ हो रहा है ठीक है. But the idea behind discussion was कि नहीं, everyone has to read it, and this will also help us at the end of the day. Like this, see, even Bhavya is there in the discussion. He always joins the discussion. I really learn a lot from him. Even Shasi learns a lot from him. We were
True.
so surprised to see your
Yeah.
opinions and everything. कि अरे such a great opinion. We have never thought of this kind of a perspective when he speaks on any topic. So yeah, this was the idea.
Okay, so now we
Yeah, and I feel that, yeah.
yeah,
I'm sorry. Are you saying something, Bhavya?
yes, you can go forward.
You may continue. Yeah, and I was just saying just one small thing, that little things actually have better impact among people. And this is something very small, nothing very huge. It's just that you're reading a book for a month and then you're coming up and then discussing about the same people. And the best part of United Readers is that you're making great connections. So I got to know Bhavya and Ansh also from United Readers. And yeah, so great. Like it is like kind of LinkedIn also for us. We get to know people who we don't know while that. So that's good.
That was absolutely awesome from your side. Now I shall open up for the Q&A session. First of all, I would request anyone from the meet who would like to ask a question to Shreyasi or Darshna, anyone you may like to. Let us first start with the question that we have received on social media. For those who don't know about it, we put up a story out there asking for questions. If you want to ask, you can personally come over here and ask, or you can just drop in your question. I'll be asking on your behalf over here. The question that I would like to come up over here for the first is, how do you choose a team when you're organizing any event? Because this is not just about United Readers, it's also about the corporate series that you come up, which is really very magnificent. I really learned a lot from those speakers. How do you choose which person would be best to be the part of your team for such events?
Okay. So the thing is that United Readers is basically an initiative by Monitoring, which is the BFSI club from HR College. So like every club has its own recruitment process, and we get team members from the college itself via different screening processes and recruitment processes. So that's totally different thing. But yes, we make sure that all those people who are there with us, they are finance enthusiasts, and most of them are into reading. They love to read, because the main thing about Monitoring is the content which we share. That is our USP, and that will only come when all the team members are having that reading attitude towards, like they like to read about stuff. So that is the thing. So I think that's it. Like we don't look for something very like having X factor, something very normal, but yeah, that reading habit should be there, and that attitude. That's it. That's how we make team.
That's great. We have a question over here in the chat box. How was the story was started for the United Readers? Darshna, if you could tell us about it.
So as I told, I used to follow Akshat Srivastava. If you guys know him, he's there on the YouTube. He was a consultant as well. He has a very great following, and he's a great man. Like his speaking skills and everything, he's amazing. The knowledge he shares on his YouTube is really, really good. And he used to do he is doing this kind of a book club thing where, he used to give books on his LinkedIn and Telegram. He has a Telegram channel as well. And then, to have his followers used to read the book for one week. That was for 1 week. And then he used to come live and share things like objectives and all, and his personal learnings on the book. So from there we got this idea, let's start something, because we wanted to do something different, something which was not there in HR College and even not in Mumbai. So we wanted to do something like this, and that's where I got an idea. Chalo, let's start a book club only. Let's see kaise karte, manage karte, and let's start this initiative. And from there only, we planned our teamwork for this, and we finally started this United Readers, and now we are a team, like member community of 200 plus members. So that's great.
That's so awesome. We also have a question from Ansh Gupta. He has raised it, and you can just unmute yourself and ask Ansh. Ansh, can you hear me? I guess it's a network issue. Never mind. I have one more question over here for you. In our life, we always have some life forces that really help us when we need them, even when we need support from them. What is that one life force? That can be a person, that can be an incident, that can be an initiative or something. What is that one thing? This is an individual question to both of you, Darshana and Shreyasi. What is that one thing in your life that you're grateful for?
Okay, what thing I'm grateful for?
Yeah, that's
I
which
think
is there in your life.
the chance which I'm getting, of getting to being. I'm not. I'm blank. Not blank actually. I'm not understanding how to explain you guys. मतलब कैसे explain करूँ? The opportunity or the chance I'm getting to give myself that education what I want. Like people, there are a lot of people who are not educated enough to do something, but I am grateful for that. That I am getting a chance where I can educate myself. I can do whatever I want, whatever study I want. Even my father is like, यार जो पढ़ना है पढ़ो, बाहर से पढ़ना है पढ़ो, यहाँ पढ़ना है पढ़ो, जो करना है करो लाइफ में, बस पढ़ाई अच्छे से करो. So that is one thing which I'm proud of, and which is something motivates me a lot.
Your chance, Shreyasi.
Yeah. So, like, one thing which I'm grateful for is like, see, thinking like the, I just perspective just keep on changing. It's like एक साल पहले कुछ और था, अभी कुछ और है. So if I presently I am grateful for whatever I'm having right now. So it's like when I wake up in the morning, the first glass of water, I'm very grateful for that. Like this is like, this came to me when I started reading book. Definitely when I started meeting people and learning from them, unfortunate people and this that. So abhi jo hai mere paas, I'm very grateful, and it's like choti cheez, and I'm very grateful. This is one thing, and second thing is how much life I'm impacting. So if I'm able to impact people via whatever I've done so far, or whatever I'm doing right now, that is what I'm grateful for. I'm like, yeah, that is something I'm proud of and grateful कि हाँ चलो ये चीज है मेरे लाइफ में, बहुत लोग के पास ये चीज नहीं होती है. So I'm very grateful that I'm having that thing in my life.
That's so nice of you, Shreyasi. We have one more question over here, which says that to engage more readers in your initiative, you obviously had to find out what interest does readers have more towards the genre of the book. What did you do? You did a research over it, something, or you did have a point of view of yours or your teams, which you can conclude that this genre of book, if we select this type of book, then we can have more readers engaged for the initiative.
Yeah, so here, Bhavya, there are two things. Firstly, like obviously the environment which we are living in, like Mumbai mein, there are like most of the students are into financial market stocks, and they are into investment and all. So ये तो बहुत obvious था कि we will be choosing the genre finance, like finance and investment, going for financial books and everything. Secondly was of course the like our club Monetary is BFSI club, banking, financial services and insurance. Then obviously if we are having an initiative of book club, then genres are going to be obviously this only, financial books. But when we were having the conversation with our teammates, like few of them were like, let's have self-help also, because if you're not having that great character or personality, not like financial books are of no use, like reading them, education, that sort of technical education is of no use. And we were like, chalo theek hai, let's have self-help books also. And right now we are having only two genres, and yeah, and we are very happy with that, those two.
Okay, okay. We got an appreciation note over here in the chat box. Dhyan Patel writes, I'm someone who likes to read books occasionally, and I've got Monetary Cup where I can get motivation to read books regularly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dhyan. It means a lot. Thank you so much.
So yes, we can have one last question before we end up the part of Shreyasi and Darshana. If anyone from the meet would like to ask a question, otherwise we have a question over here ready. We actually have a lot of questions, but due to time constraints, we cannot entertain every question from the questions that we have received from social media. But yeah, better less than nothing. Anyone from the meet?
Hello, I am audible.
Yansh.
Yes.
Now we can do that ना, that जैसे कि यूनाइटेड रीडर्स में जो बुक मिलता है पढ़ने को, उसका समरी हम बुकलेट में से पढ़े, फिर हम वो डिस्कशन जूम समरी पे कर सकते हैं.
Definitely we can do. Like
Yeah,
totally
Yeah,
your wish.
definitely.
If you want to read the whole book, go ahead. If you want to read the summary, then also go ahead. But हाँ, join the discussion. Otherwise कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला book
हाँ,
reading.
तो वो उससे ज्यादा मिलता आइडिया.
Exactly. तो बिना बिना discussion के तो कोई फायदा नहीं है ना. Book तो हो गया, मतलब पढ़ लिया. उसके बाद का क्या? So join the discussion. बाकी कैसे भी पढ़ लो, चलेगा.
Yeah.
Okay, so with this, we would like to end up part of Shreyas and Darshana. I really thank you all on behalf of the entire Baskin U team for joining us today and giving up your great time.